Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create project in Freshbooks. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Freshbooks dashboard is go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on projects. After selecting projects, you're going to go over to the top right-hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see the drop-down arrow, and you have two options. You can either choose to create a flat rate project, meaning one flat rate that you like to charge or pay for that project, and you have hourly project, meaning you will be able to set your hourly rate. Let's say for this example we were to select hourly project. Then you can add team members and you can assign a client. By tapping on assign client, you could type in the client name. Then you can enter the project name, so I'll just call it test first. Then you could add a description and select the end date right there. After doing that, you can add the service that you will be offering. So you can tap on add service and you could type out the service. Once you have done that, you'll go over to the right hand column, and from there you can tap right where you see set billable rates, and you could type in the rate that you would like to charge per hour. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now once you have saved it, you can see your projects.